Right, big news coming in the Shraddha case. Remember the young woman who was brutally killed and then cut into pieces? Delhi police is likely to file a fresh charge sheet in that case in the Saket court in Delhi today. The charge sheet likely to be filed before the court of Aviral Shukla. Sources privy to the development have told India Today that the Delhi police charge sheet runs into 3,000 and more pages. 3,000 pages of a charge sheet with over 100 to 200 operative pages. Charge sheet will include the narco analysis test examination and the testimonies of the accused Aftab Poonawalla. Charge sheet has been vetted by the special public prosecutor Amit Prasad. Charge sheet highly relies on series of forensic and technical evidence, and this 3,000 plus pages of a charge sheet could also likely include the DNA report of Shraddha, which basically is of her pieces of her body recovered from different parts of Delhi, and after the DNA examination was confirmed that it belonged and it was her found in different parts. Shreya Chatterjee joining me with the latest on that. Shreya has been covering this case from day one. Shreya, charge sheet has been filed today. What does this mean precisely with regard to the accused Aftab Poonawalla, and what sort of inputs and testimonies are we expecting in this with evidence?
Well, Pooja, today in all likelihood the charge sheet in the Shraddha murder case will be filed by the in the Saket court. Now, in all likelihood, the charge sheet will be filed before the court of Aviral Shukla. What we are learning so far about the charge sheet from our sources is that it's going to be a more than 3,000-page document, and there will be at least 100 to 200 pages which will be operative. We also need to understand that largely this charge sheet will contain scientific evidence, because remember, there were a lot of roadblocks that Delhi police faced in coordinating this investigation. We saw that there was a narco analysis of Aftab that was done. We saw the entire process that was ongoing, which included DNA tests, etc. So a large amount of the charge sheet will run into technical and scientific evidences, which will now be standing the trial of the judiciary. So that's something that's going to be important. Delhi police seems like that they are confident that they will be successful in getting this a watertight case against Aftab Poonawalla. Anytime today, this charge will now be filed in the Saket court.
Keep tracking the latest on that. Shreya Chatterjee will be bringing up to speed about what possibly have been in the charge sheet. Already managing some scoop about 3,000 long page charge sheet. 100 and 200 pages will be the operative part and will include the testimonies, the DNA test and further evidence that's been recovered by the police and the agencies.